Hi, welcome back. This is Adventures with Dr. Joe. Today we're going to install this BLUM or BLUM soft close feature that allows these cabinet doors, instead of slamming shut, they gently, softly close. Let's take a look at one. So there's one installed here on this door, and we'll just close it and see how nicely that closes. That is really great. It doesn't bang closed. Fits right in this face frame. Typically this is 3/4 of an inch, and you use this device that doesn't have an extension, and you always want to place it such that the adjustment screw is accessible. So here the adjustment screw accessible from here, and up here in this cabinet, way up in the top, that screw is accessible, and you can see it. So you install it so you can access that to adjust it. The way you adjust this, and you can see this little indicator, when you loosen it, it increases the pressure that this exerts on the door and slows the rate of closure. If you tighten it, it closes a lot faster for smaller, more lightweight doors. Open it up, loosen it for heavier, larger doors. So I purchased a kit of 10 of these from Amazon for about $4, $4.50 a piece. And these also come with this extension. Now, when would you use this extension? I'll show you when you have a door that's just like this. Here, we can't put this unit on because it would be inside of this. With this extension, it fits perfectly here, and in doors like this that overlap, that extension is perfect. The kit comes with short screws when you don't use the extension, and long screws when you do. And you can see that the length of the screw is such that it will fit through that extension perfectly, and the short screw fits perfectly as well. So it has an adequate amount of screw extending to hold it in place. What I recommend is this little trick. And this fits perfectly on this face frame. Make sure that the adjustment screw is accessible, and these little lips will fit exactly in that corner, just like that. Then you can take your screw and either tap it with a hammer or lightly turn it in to make a little dimple. Then you can drill a pilot hole, typically with a 5/64 bit, and then we'll place this back in. So again, with a face frame installation like this, you don't need the extension. But when the door overlays the face frame like this, you need the extension so that you can bring that out, and we're going to put this way at the top. So I've got the extension that's going to fit in like this so that the adjustment screw is accessible. I'm going to put the screw provided all the way into it and screw it in or tap it, and then drill that 5/64 inch pilot hole so it won't split the face frame. So it's important to do this because this 3/4 inch face frame, it's a bit fragile, but if you pre-drill a pilot hole, you'll never have a problem. And again, just to review, this spacer can be put on either side because you need to see the access screw, the adjustment screw. So in some indications, and you can see that it's got these little tabs that fit in these little slots here on the side. So it can fit for the top left or the top right. Again, you'll still have access to your adjustment screw. So we're going to put the top right one like this. You can see we put the top left one in already with the spacer on the left side, and the right side will go with the spacer on the right. So you can see we've got the right side with the spacer on the right and the left side with the spacer on the left. And this is how they close. Isn't that nice? So thank you very much for watching. Again, that was the installation of the soft close BLUM add-ons that you can put in any of the cabinets or doors that you've got European hinges that are basically going to close by themselves. It works great. I'll give a link to where I purchased these for $10, number 10 for like 45 bucks, something like that. If this was helpful, please thumbs up, consider subscribing. Thank you.